Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So to start out the day, we have unemployment claims, which was actually just announced. So looking ahead, we have CB leading index at 9, natural gas storage. Then we have a few Fed members speaking throughout the day. The important ones are speaking after the market is closed. Not too much going on beyond unemployment claims, which was just announced. So let's go on and take a look at earnings. Taking a look at earnings, today is a pretty big day. Pre-market today, we have TSMC. So yeah, we'll have to see how that does. Netflix after hours. There's a chance to have money here and potentially a nice trade for tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. Beyond that, don't see too much. You got Domino's, and yeah, that looks like it's it for today. Looking at tomorrow, you got American Express, Coca-Cola, nothing too much. Next week looks a little bit bigger. We got Google, we got Tesla, so keep an eye out for those. Now looking at the charts, so starting out today, looking at IWM is kind of just pulling back from this insane run up. I have the first demand zone being right here around the 218 level. If I were to put support and resistance on where it's been trading, the first level of resistance I would put around the 224 level, and the first level of support is kind of at right now. I would have right here at 222. So yeah, we'll kind of see how it does there. But yeah, below here, it looks like the next level might be this 219 or this 218 level. Going on, looking at the QQQ, we are up a little over 0.5% from market close yesterday, which is kind of nice. We sold off kind of hard yesterday. I want to bring to your attention there's this gap right here, and the market is going to look to fill that at some point. Looking at the levels of support and resistance, the next level of support is probably going to be right here at about around 230, 283, and then 283, 284. Look for that range. And then resistance right now is 280 or is 485. Then after that, next level looks like it's 487. Going on, looking at the SPY. We're up in pre-market for this as well. Taking a look at it, I got support around here about 557. The next support is going to be right here at 558. So I'm going to move this up short term. And then I have small resistance 559, a larger resistance is 560, and we are coming out of a demand zone. So it'd be nice if we could continue this trend and come up to take out or fill in this gap. Going on, looking at Tesla. Yesterday I called it out perfectly. Yesterday we kind of gapped down, and then Tesla came up at market open, and I said, watch this trend line. It came, hit this trend line pretty much perfectly, went barely just past and sold off. I think I had the support level right here at 249, 250, but now I'm going to actually move it to 248 just because that looks like where it's coming. So right now it's still kind of trading in this range. So today I would say to the upside around this 256 level on Tesla. If it runs up here, it's not the worst idea to grab downside. I would have my stop loss maybe around 258.60 or 258.50, and then target this 248 level. That's a nice trade. You got a nice risk to reward. You got a 3.86 risk to reward ratio. That means you could take 4 of those trades, get one right, and still be profitable. I'm going on, looking at Trump stock. Still consolidating right here, which is kind of good. It means it's getting ready for a big move. Still would like to see it pull down to this level so I could potentially load up on calls or maybe even shares. But yeah, it's looking good right now. Going on, looking at Palantir. Palantir is kind of continuing its way up. It is now to the bottom side of this trend line, and there is still a demand zone here. It has tapped into it, but kind of just watch and see what it does. Right now, resistance is going to be at about 28.50 or 28.44, and support looks like it's going to be about 28.13. All right, now looking at GME is making higher highs and higher lows. It's in an uptrend now. So yeah, just be aware of that. I'm not really watching this one too heavy, but yeah, be on the lookout. Amazon appears to have found its way to this next demand zone down here. I did say it looked like it was getting ready for a bigger move. This didn't really look like that big of a move. There is a gap to fill right here at about 93. So I would expect to see Amazon at least come to that. And if Amazon can get to 194 and hold above, I would like to see it keep pushing. I'm a little biased because I have a call and I'm down on it. And just for reference, this is a bad trade on Amazon. Right now, I'm really just hoping for a positive catalyst from Prime Day. Going on looking at NVIDIA. Let me move these. Got support on NVIDIA right here around 117, 118, and resistance right here at about 122. All right, so NVIDIA is trading in the range. Just kind of, if you're trading NVIDIA, watch for it to break out. Maybe check it out on a higher time frame. NVIDIA looks like it could have formed somewhat of a double top. So maybe it's coming down to fill in this larger gap down here at this 95 level. I may be crazy, but hey, just be on the lookout for that. And last but not least, we got the Dixie. It's kind of up a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, just be aware of that. Be sure to smash the like button. That is your watch list for the day. Let's get this bread, family.